Welcome to Drone TV. Now we are at Begumpet Wings 2026. This event is going on from 28th to 31st January 2026. Here there are a lot of airlines are presenting their aircrafts. And also then there are a lot of other companies are coming from worldwide. This event will be done every year in January month.
Thank you for watching Drone TV, your gateway to the latest in drone technology, GIS innovations, and AI-driven solutions. To partner with us or to promote your company on Drone TV, visit www.dronetv.in or contact us at +91 75 2012 3555.